Morning, thanks for joining me again. Probably just a short video this one, and it might be a bit disjointed because I'm on a road and I need to stop for cars. As you may have seen on my last video, I was camping at a place called Brosterfield Farm, just near Foolow in Derbyshire, and I was in the pub, the local pub, the Bull's Head. I got talking to a couple who live locally who are keen hikers, and they told me about they called it a secret waterfall. I'd never heard of it before, and they told me roughly how to get to it, and I'm just having a look for it this morning. Had a Google about it, and it's actually called Waterfall Swallet, I think, which is a strange name. And basically I've just parked up in Foolow this morning, and I'm just walking on the road that leads to the village of Eyam. I think it's about 1 kilometre along, and we're just looking for a little track to the left. Anyway, let's see how we get on. Right, a short walk out of the village, according to what I read on the internet. First building that you come to out of Foolow, big farm on the right. There's a track just opposite on the left, with a mirror so that you can see to pull out onto the road. And if you walk left up there, we're looking for a little gate, I think, also to the left. Gate is to the left almost immediately after you start up that track, and be careful, you'll miss it if you carry on further up the track. And you can actually hear the waterfall. It almost sounds like the wind in the trees, but I think I can hear it already. This is quite steep and slippy. Well, would you look at that, how beautiful. Apparently it's normally dry in the summer, but we've not really had much of a summer. We've had about 6 weeks of rain, so it's flowing really nicely. So I forgot their names actually, or I didn't get their names, but many thanks to that couple that I met in the Bull's Head last night. If you ever get to see this, wonderful. Gonna have a closer look. And with a little bit of clambering across some dead trees, you can get right into the foot of it. Hope you can hear me. Something else, this. Beautiful. And I'm guessing that unusual name, Swallet, is a little bit Derbyshire, Yorkshire, because the waterfall comes down and it doesn't escape, it swallows it. So yeah, an interesting piece of geology as well. Limestone crags here by the look of it behind me, and I would imagine the edge at Bretton is right up that way, and I think that's kind of gritstone, and then it comes down. There's a slate layer beneath that, and then that probably causes the runoff above the limestone and down here to make this fantastic thing. well, back out of that shady little hidden place. Hope you enjoyed that short video, and no doubt I'll see you again on another video very soon. Cheers now.